We will make a proof using the hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. That's the HL, hypotenuse leg, and it works when you have right triangles. All right, so we're given a picture here, and I drew it in pink so that you could see that you could separate it, and it might make it make a little more sense if I separated it so that you could see the two triangles here, and I also labeled them. So we're given that WY, that's this piece here, we'll put one hash mark right here, is congruent to XZ, that's right there, and those do appear to be the hypotenuse. So this one and this one, the hypotenuse of those right triangles. So we'll state given here. Then we're told right here that their WZ is perpendicular to ZY. So that's perpendicular. If they tell me it's perpendicular, then that means it's right angle. And it also says that XY is perpendicular to ZY. Hold on, I did it in the wrong order, didn't I? Okay, and that was also given. Okay, then let me mark a little box here and here, since they told me they were perpendicular. I need to talk about what that means then. So if that's the case, I'm going to say that angle Z and angle Y are right angles. Use the symbol since I ran out of room. And the reason for that is it's the definition of perpendicular lines. I can state that because it's the definition of perpendicular lines. Now that I've said that they're right angles, that's going to tell me that the triangles must be right triangles. So triangle WYZ and triangle XYZ are right triangles. I'm going to use that symbol for triangles there. And the reason I can say that is the definition of a right triangle. Now that I've said that, I need to find, I know I've got the hypotenuse marked here, I need a leg. And I want you to notice that this leg ZY is in both triangles. So that means it's congruent to itself. So I can put two here. So I've got a hypotenuse and I've got a leg here. So I will say that segment ZY is congruent to segment YZ. And I can say that because of the reflexive property. We've used that pretty much every proof so far. The reflexive property of congruence. And then there's what I have proved, exactly what they asked me to prove, and that would be the HL, hypotenuse leg congruence theorem.